Alright, we're going to do a hive inspection today. It's been a good while. These are some new bees that I got from a friend from the bee classes. My old bees, the first ones, they died unfortunately. We don't know yet what they died from. Probably varroa mites of some sort.
Ooh, boy, I'm seeing a lot of beetles.
A lot of beetles. Oh man. Ooh. Yeah, that's a lot. Let's just kill them real quick. Oh yeah, Mama.
We should probably do it and smoke them.
Yeah. Smokers up there if you can pass it.
How did you put it in there? Don't put it in the post. He has a good shade on here for now.
Could you smoke them? That should be good.
All right, let them chill. Then you can start taking the lid off.
Yeah. Take the first frame out.
Go for it. I'm just gonna kill this beetle.
Doesn't look like they built much. Just a little bit.
Okay. Well, you have beetle traps?
Beetle traps? Yeah, but they're towards the bottom though.
This is probably gonna fall. These are the new frames we'll put in.
Yeah.
There's not much work going on.
No, barely anything here.
Okay.
I should probably skip a couple frames and go straight to the middle.
You think so?
Yeah, it would be good because I don't see anything on this next one either. Yeah, nothing on that one. But
Can't get a good grip, I mean a good angle, but okay, I see it. Sorry, I was getting some beetles.
yeah. Maybe this one has something. It does, but it's not very big. Like thin on both sides. Weird how they built it on that side though.
Yeah. That's the, okay. Any brood in there?
No, not on that frame.
So what are we supposed to see right now towards, what is it, September, mid-September?
September?
Mm-hmm.
I guess right now what we could be looking for is just brood for the next batch of bees that are going to be coming.
When do they start packing their food for the winter?
I guess whenever there's like a lot of blooming flowers everywhere. Looks like there's a queen cup.
There's a queen cup down there. Is it just a...
No, it's empty.
It's empty.
Yeah, it's just little practice ones.
Okay. Careful not to drop the queen. And
Oh yeah.
I don't see any sign of beetles down there. Do you?
No. Does it look like there's a queen cup on this one?
On this side, I don't see any. Let me see. No. Looks like they're capping it, right?
Yeah. Just honey, no brood. Bees are very calm. They don't seem to be attacking at all. That's good. This one, not much of anything, just a bunch of bees. And that looks the same for all the rest of the frames in there. So I think we're done with this top box. We should probably check the bottom one.
I think so, okay.
Doesn't look like they did anything up here except for the middle.
Well, the bottom one, we know that they have some, but it's been a while since you checked it, so yeah, good idea. You want me to hold up this? Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
It could be a little. No, it's fine.
Sorry, bees. Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of this.
Yeah.
Oh, one of them tried to sting me.
Alright. And this,
I'll help you tighten it up here first.
that should be good.
Perfect.
Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go into the lower box.
Where are you gonna rest it on?
I'm gonna rest it up here in the top.
Top of this one.
Yeah.
Should I smoke them? Or is that the same?
You should smoke these right here. Just a little bit. That should be good. This one looks a lot fuller than the top box. Look, you see it? All the comb.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. Any pollen sacs?
Pollen? I'm not sure. It looks like some bees were carrying pollen. Look, up here.
Hold on, let me fix this for you.
I haven't worked much here.
Yeah. That was a... Oh, I see it. I don't think they've done much.
Yeah. Maybe because there's not much food around and it's been raining too.
Just started raining though. What does that look like? Any brood in there?
No, not at all. Doesn't look like anything, not even eggs. Just little spots of honey there.
Let me see that side.
Yeah,
Anything in there?
Full of nectar. Some nectar.
They're filling it up, okay.
Yeah. Ooh. There's some brood here, look.
Yeah, brood in here.
Yeah, it looks like they're gonna
Kinda
start capping it.
Okay, oh, I see it. Oh, wow, yeah, there's a lot of it.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure the queen is not on that. Or just hold it over the box. If she falls, she'll land right back in there. You mind if I see that side?
This one? Yeah.
Oh, you have a bunch of brood in there too.
Yeah.
This is all brood.
Uh-huh.
Get a better angle. See if you can see the brood in there. I can't see through my... Oh, you see it up here. But yeah, you can't really see much, but all of that is brood. All of it.
Yeah.
They have some pollen on this side. Those are good indications that they're getting ready for for the fall, isn't it? They start packing food.
Yeah. Start packing food on the side so if they can feed them before they cap them off.
Hmm. It was a pretty dry summer, so I don't know if that has anything to do with their production.
This one is cap.
It's cat brood. Yeah, this is all brood.
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. All of that is cat brood.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
So you have a lot of brood, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Is that on both sides?
Yeah, on both sides, it's both cap.
Okay, okay. Looks like the queen just
Went to work just on the bottom.
on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, more brood in here. Okay,
A lot more.
a lot more than that other one too. All right.
Yeah.
Junior. Junior.
Yeah.
Looks
Well,
like that's good.
the rest of them, they look like they'll all be full, so I don't think we should check them. And
Okay.
just gonna close up the boxes and put this all up.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something. Saw a couple interesting things about the hive.
You want to push?
And
Oh yeah.
see you next time.
See you next time, guys. Thank you for. We like to work in quiet. We find that we focus more like that. And I don't know if it works, but the bees seem to like it too. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.